In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Behance account. Whether you're a seasoned creative professional or just starting to explore the vibrant community on Behance, knowing how to access your account is the first step in showcasing your work and networking with other artists. Let's walk through the process together to ensure a smooth login experience. First things first, let's open your preferred web browser and type in the URL behance.net. Once you reach the Behance homepage, you'll notice a small but significant Sign In button, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Clicking on this button is your gateway to joining the community and accessing all the exciting features Behance has to offer. Now, Behance is linked to Adobe's suite of services, which means your login credentials are tied to your Adobe ID. This is your email address and password that you use for any Adobe-related service. If you've registered using an email and password, simply click the Sign In option, enter the email associated with your Adobe ID, and type in your password. Then, click the Sign In button to proceed. However, if you've chosen to simplify your login process using a social media account, you'll find icons representing Google, Facebook, and Apple. Select the icon that corresponds to the account you signed up with. From there, follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate your identity. This typically involves signing in to your chosen platform and granting permission to Behance to use your social media credentials. Now, let's discuss a scenario where you already possess an Adobe ID but haven't activated your Behance profile yet. This might be the case if you've used Adobe's other applications but are new to Behance. The first time you log in under these circumstances, you might be asked to activate your Behance account. This step is crucial as it allows you to set up your profile and start sharing your creative projects with the world. If prompted to activate your account, follow the necessary steps to complete your profile setup and begin your journey within the Behance community. And there you have it, a detailed guide on logging into your Behance account. Navigating this process is straightforward once you know what steps to take. Remember, whether you're logging in via an Adobe ID or through a social media account, the most important factor is ensuring your credentials are up to date and secure. By successfully logging in, you're ready to explore a world of creativity, collaboration, and inspiration on Behance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow.